Hi, it's Deb from Deb's Days Designs, and I'm back with another sewing tutorial. Today we're making this Santa placemat set. It's a great way to decorate your holiday table and home. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel or stop by the blog at debsdays.com and check out my Etsy shop, Deb's Days Designs. That's where you'll find a digital version of this project. You can download it at home and print out the entire pattern. It has the materials list and cutting measurements, step-by-step written instructions, color photos, and the printable template. Or, to save paper, just read through the directions on your device and then print out just the template page. Alright, let's get this project started. Along with your regular sewing supplies for this project, you'll need fabric scraps for the applique, a front fabric, a backing fabric, batting, a paper-backed fusible web like Heat and Bond Light, optional basting spray, stabilizer, walking footer, free motion foot, and of course the printable templates. First, trace the individual parts of the design onto the paper side of the fusible web. Cut out each piece about 1/4 inch outside the tracing lines. Following the manufacturer's directions, fuse the pieces to the wrong side of the appropriate colors of fabric and let them cool. Then cut out the pieces along the traced lines. Remove the paper backing from the fusible web and center and arrange the applique pieces on the front fabric, overlapping them as needed. When in place, Santa should be about 2 inches from the top, bottom, and side edges. When all pieces have been assembled, fuse them into place. Finish the design by stitching around the raw edges of each of the fabric pieces with blanket, zigzag, satin, or straight stitches. I like to try out different stitch lengths and widths on fabric scraps before I work on the applique, and I like to wait to add the eyes until the appliquing's finished for a better placement. Like with our other placemat projects, fold the 1 yard of backing fabric in half and press it. Fold it in half one more time and press it, and cut on the pressed lines. Place one of the backing fabrics with the wrong side facing up. Center a piece of batting in the middle. Center the applique piece on top and baste it in place to limit shifting during quilting. And then quilt as desired. Since we're using the backing piece as a binding, do not stitch beyond the edge of the front fabric. Fold the backing out of the way and very carefully trim it so the front fabric and batting match. Unfold the backing and trim the backing fabric so it measures 1 1/4 inches away from the front fabric. To create the binding and mitered corners, fold the corner of the backing so it meets the corner of the front piece and press it. Open up the fold and cut on the creased line. Fold the cut corner over the corner of the front piece and press it. Fold each side so the raw edges of the backing meet near the raw edges of the front and press it. Fold the backing fabric over one more time so it becomes the binding on the front and press it. Follow the same technique all around the placemat using fabric clips or pins to hold it in place. Adjust the mitered corners if necessary. Top stitch around the outside near the open edge of the binding. And just like that, you have a cute placemat set for guests and family for the holidays. If you'd like to see more sewing projects like this one, check out some of my other video tutorials. See you next time with another project.